Welcome to Inspire and Innovate, where we explore the latest innovations and tools to help you stay ahead in this fast-paced world. In today's video, we're diving into the top AI tools for productivity in 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, these AI tools can help you streamline your tasks, save time, and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Tool 1, Grammarly. First on our list is Grammarly. Grammarly has been a go-to tool for many professionals when it comes to writing and editing. In 2024, Grammarly's AI has become even more advanced, offering real-time suggestions not just for grammar, but also for tone, clarity, and style. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or creating content, Grammarly ensures that your writing is polished and effective. Tool 2, Notion AI. Next up is Notion AI. Notion has been a popular tool for project management and note-taking, and with the integration of AI, it has become even more powerful. Notion AI helps you generate content, summarize notes, and automate repetitive tasks. It's perfect for managing your projects, organizing your thoughts, and keeping track of everything in one place. Tool 3, Jasper AI. If you're in content creation or marketing, you've probably heard of Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you generate high-quality content quickly. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or ad copy, Jasper can assist you in creating engaging and SEO-friendly content in a matter of minutes. It's like having a content team at your fingertips. Tool 4, Otter AI. For those who attend a lot of meetings or interviews, Otter AI is a game-changer. Otter AI transcribes your meetings in real time, allowing you to focus on the conversation without worrying about taking notes. In 2024, Otter's AI has improved its accuracy and can even highlight key points and action items, making it easier to review and share meeting notes. Tool 5, Trello with AI integration. Finally, we have Trello with its new AI integration. Trello has always been a favorite for project management, but now with AI, it can do even more. The AI can predict project timelines, suggest task prioritization, and even automate certain workflows. This means you can manage your projects more efficiently and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. This video provides a brief overview of the tools. If you're interested in learning more details, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll explain everything in depth in a follow-up video. And there you have it, the top AI tools for productivity in 2024. These tools are designed to make your life easier and help you get more done in less time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inspire and Innovate for more insights into the world of AI and innovation.